What's up, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to Building Velocity. Just got the AM-X12 put back together. We did some surgery on it. Kind of go over a little bit of it here. So same motor, same ESC, same battery. Nothing's changed there, guys. But I did change the gearing. Maybe you can get a better look at that. But I'm basically running the gearing, 48 pitch gearing that came out of the 917s. So it's not a straightforward fit, guys. I had to do quite a bit of stuff to get it to work. It'll even be harder if somebody wants to switch to 38 pitch or mod 1. Even with what I did, mod 1 still wouldn't have fit. So work in progress. We're gonna take it out and see what it'll do, guys. Guys, thank you for watching. If you guys are participating, thank you so much. If you are not participating and you have a car, make a video, guys. Hop in, be a part of the fun. If you want to purchase one of these Rlaarlo cars, the X12S or AM-X12 or any of their other stuff, or you just need parts, guys, click that link down below. It helps the channel, helps us continue to make content and hold these contests and stuff like that. So I'll quit talking now, and hopefully I got a good run coming. All right, guys, we got the AM-X12 out. We're gonna make a run with it. I got a guest today, my favorite father-in-law.
Your only father-in-law.
That's why you're my favorite, sir. Got some new gears in it. Wasn't the easy fix, but we got it together. We'll see what happens. Zeroed out. Tracking. All right, guys, let's see what we can get. Here we go. She caught air, guys. Driving her back though. .9. Oh, that's just what it caught earlier. Still picking up, guys. Stop, read. 91 miles an hour. 7 mile an hour improvement off the last one, guys. Nice. All right, guys, I'm going to show you my battery, make it official. Still using the same 3S battery. Here's my leads. 3 black, 1 red, 3S guys. 91 miles an hour. Put me on the board, Paul.